In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the YouTube app on your PC or laptop using Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to youtube.com. Once the YouTube website loads, make sure you're on the main YouTube homepage. Then, look at the top right corner of the Chrome browser and click the three dots to open the Chrome menu. From the menu, find and select Cast, Save, and Share. A new submenu will appear with several options. In this menu, look for the Install YouTube option. Click on it, and a confirmation window will appear asking if you want to install YouTube as an app. Simply click Install and wait a few moments while Chrome sets up the YouTube app on your computer. The installation usually takes only a short time, depending on your system. Once the installation is complete, YouTube will be available as a separate app on your PC or laptop. You may find the YouTube shortcut on your desktop, in the Start menu, or on the taskbar, depending on your Windows settings. The advantage of installing YouTube this way is that you can launch it directly from your computer without first opening Chrome and typing the YouTube website address. It gives you a more app-like experience and makes accessing YouTube much more convenient. You can also keep the YouTube app pinned to your taskbar for quick access, so you can open it whenever you want with just one click. And that's it. As you can see, installing the YouTube app on your Windows PC or laptop is very easy and only takes a few moments using Google Chrome. Top of form. Bottom of form.